Rain is one of nature's simplest wonders, but it hides some surprising secrets. Raindrops are not shaped like drops at all. Small droplets are perfectly round, and larger ones flatten out like a tiny hamburger bun as they fall. A normal cloud floating above us can carry millions of kilograms of water, yet it doesn't collapse. That's because warm rising air keeps the cloud suspended like a giant balloon. Sometimes, rain begins to fall but never reaches the ground. It evaporates mid-air, and this rare disappearing rain is called virga. Even the sound of rain changes from place to place. The size, speed, and shape of each drop decide whether you hear a soft drizzle or a sharp tapping sound.